Title: The Mid-Air Collision of Flight 2937 and Flight 611 Scene. Narrator: VO. On July 1, 2002, Bashkirian Airlines, Flight 2937 and DHL Flight 611 collided mid-air near Überlingen, Germany. Cut to cockpits of both planes. Controller. Flight 2937 descend to 36,000 feet. The TCAS, Traffic Collision Avoidance System, on both planes activates. TCAS on Flight 2937. Descend. TCAS on Flight 611. Climb. Confusion arises. Both planes follow conflicting instructions. Narrator: VO. At 36,000 feet, the planes collided, killing all 71 people on board. Human error and miscommunication led to this tragic